Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate the support and I really appreciate and love you guys. So in this video, I would like to do a review of two of the fragrances for Bath and Body Works new collection, The Bake Shop. Featuring strawberry pound cake, raspberry jam donut, coconut cream pie, and chocolate covered cherry. So let's start off with coconut cream pie. Okay, so here is the body cream and the fragrance mist. Scent notes: toasted coconut flakes, caramel custard, golden pie crust. Let the aroma of an indulgent, sweet treat take you away to the bake shop of your dreams. So this one, when you smell it on cold and when you first apply it, you really get like this sweet coconut, like I guess the sweetness is from the caramel. And you get all of that. And I get like this really, really like deep, rich butter note, which must be the golden pie crust. And so what I did, I actually did this for 2 days. First day, apply the body cream and then the fragrance mist. Rub it in, make sure it's blended really well, all of that stuff. So the first day I wore it, I thought that after just a few minutes that it had completely disappeared. And I'm like, well, when I first applied it, I got all of those notes, but I thought, okay, this is gone like within the first hour, it's completely gone. So I said, maybe that's not accurate. So I tried it for a second day, and actually, it's still there after a few hours, but the thing is, you immediately lose like the sweetness, the richness, all of that stuff, and it just becomes, to my nose, like a very waxy coconut. Because I did a comparison, I'm like, okay, so after a few hours, I smell this, I smell the dull, waxy coconut, and I smell my other arm, and nothing. So it's not that it goes, I mean, it gets really light, but you lose the sweet caramel and the custard and the butter, and it just becomes like coconut wax to me. You guys comment and let me know what your experience with this is, because on cold, I mean, I'm not a big coconut fan, but I love bakery scents, so I was really intrigued by this because of the caramel custard and the pie crust. No, I don't really get a pie crust per se. I get more of like a thick, rich, buttery note. So I'm disappointed in this because I don't want to smell like coconut wax. You know what I mean? So this may be a return for me, or an exchange. I always say return. I'm really exchanging it for something that I like a little bit more. So not too happy with the coconut cream pie. Definitely not my favorite. Now, I will say that I am not a coconut person. I don't really care for coconut scents. So that could have something to do with it. If you like coconut, then you might not mind that that this is basically just all coconut, you know, after the first hour or so, or even less actually. It turned into a waxy coconut like within 20 minutes or so. So not a repurchase for me. Now, for the dark horse of the collection. Now, I've already done a review of the raspberry jam donut. I will link that right up here for you to check out. And this is the one that I really didn't feel like I would like. Chocolate covered cherry. Okay, so I got the body cream and the fragrance mist. This one's really cute too. I like the packaging. It's like a magenta metallic label with metallic gold. Super cute. So the scent notes are rich milk chocolate, red cherries, and sweet liqueur. So on cold, the cherry that I get is the cherry that's in um, black cherry Merlot. Yeah, black cherry Merlot. And then you get like this chocolate note, but when I actually put this on me, you guys, this smells like a Tootsie Pop. Like identical to a Tootsie Pop. I think my camera is, hold on. I think it was trying to fall over. Let's see. Okay. So I get a Tootsie Pop and I love it. And I do not care for chocolate fragrances, so I really didn't think I would like this one, but I actually really enjoy this. So you get the chocolate is more like a candy like fudge, like like a Tootsie Roll. And then you get that bright cherry like black cherry Merlot. But talk about a strong performer. This lasted for hours. Hours. I could still smell this. And I really didn't think I would enjoy this one. I do. I really enjoy this one. I think I will exchange the coconut cream pie for this one because it lasted for hours. Hours. I think I smelled myself, like my arm, like 5 hours later, and it was still there. I love this, and it's identical to a Tootsie Pop, a cherry candy Tootsie Pop, and I love it. So I was like very surprised because in the collection I was most excited for Raspberry Jam Donut, and I thought this one would come in last. So, but actually, my favorite in the collection is, I don't know. Strawberry pound cake and raspberry jam donut are neck and neck. I'm not sure which one I like more. I guess it depends on which mood I'm in. I love both of those. And then this one, chocolate covered cherry. I freaking love this, you guys. And then in dead last, this coconut cream pie. Do not care for that one. Very, very disappointed. So comment and let me know what you think. If you've had a chance to try any of these, I love to know what you guys are thinking. If I'm crazy, do you smell a Tootsie Pop or is it just me? So thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. And if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.